the herd shatters into a dozen directions. He singles out the alpha male. In this forest, a failed hunt is a slow descent into starvation. A desperate, bone-shattering kick from the buck's rump. The blow is concussive. Having missed its chance at the prey because of the leopard's interference, he now seethes with a quiet, vengeful resolve. The tiger's massive jaws are locked firmly around the leopard's neck, a crushing grip of absolute dominance that vibrates through the damp forest floor. Below him, the leopard coils in a spasm of agony, his spotted flank heaving against the impossible weight of a golden titan. The great predator exerts only the barest minimum of effort, pinning the weaker link to the ground with a chilling, effortless grace that speaks of eons of evolutionary superiority. His sheer primeval presence enough to announce the verdict of this encounter. He is merely asserting his dominance over the leopard. The leopard slipped away, though only briefly, before the tiger recaptured it, forcing it down once more. But as the tiger momentarily relaxes his focus, the leopard ignites with a desperate, explosive burst of pure survival instinct. The tree serves as the leopard's sole refuge, but not an infallible one. Though the tiger's massive weight prevents it from climbing trees, its powerful leap and relentless determination enable it to bring the leopard down. He surges forward with renewed ferocity, targeting the leopard's throat with the calculated precision of a master executioner. The leopard is pinned, coiling and twisting in a desperate attempt to find a gap in the tiger's ironclad grip. In this ancient arena, the cost of a failed escape is the total erasure of a life. The tiger shifts its weight, moving from a mere display of dominance to a systematic, unrelenting assault. A heavy stillness descends. The leopard strikes out one last time, but the tiger's power is absolute. The rhythm turns dark. The tiger begins a systematic, unrelenting battery, biting deep and shaking the leopard with a primitive, merciless fury. The smaller cat coils and thrashes beneath the onslaught. A final, crushing bite ends the struggle. The victor stands tall in the mist, his breathing heavy, bearing the invisible weight of a lethal, unavoidable rivalry.